Okay, hi everyone. Today and in this video, I would like to show you how to configure internet access on the Cisco router. Okay, step by step. Okay, and then go to the Cisco packet tracer. Okay, the first I need to set the title of the video. How to configure internet access on the Cisco router. Okay, in this video I need two router. Okay, I need two router 2811. Okay, two. I need ISP IP. Okay. ISP IP address. Okay, three. I need LAN IP. Okay, four. I need console cable. Okay, this is a requirement that we have to do. Okay, and then I need Cisco router. Okay, I'm set this router ISP. Okay, and then I copy and pass one more router. Okay, customer. Okay, I'm connect from speed to the router customer. Okay, and then from the serial cable to the ISP. Okay, and then I need 3.3 the PC. Okay, and then set the IP 8.8.8. and one more. I need one PC more. Okay, and then connect console cable from the PC to the router. Okay, the first step. Okay, step 1, assign IP on all the router. Okay, I'm click on the PC3. Okay, and then I'm click on the desktop and click on the terminal again, and then okay. Okay, I'm set the name, host name, customer. Okay, and then go to interface fast0/1 IPN. Okay, no chat. Okay, and then I'm go to the interface serial0/0/0 the IPN. Okay, no chat. Okay, and then I click on the ISP router. Go to the assign IP. Okay, host ISP. Okay, interface serial0/0/0 IPN. Okay, no chat. Okay, and then go to interface/0/0 IPN. Okay, no chat. Okay, we assign IP already on the router customer and router ISP. Okay, we go to step 2. Okay, configure DHCP server. DHCP server on Cisco customer. Okay, on router customer. Okay, step 2, configure DHCP on this router customer. Okay, configure IP DHCP include. Okay, and then IP DHCP port internal. Okay, LAN. Okay, network. Okay, router. Okay, default router. Default router is min gateway. Okay, DNS server. Okay, configure the DHCP already on the customer router. Okay, we can go to the PC. Okay, and then select on the DHCP. Okay, you will see the IP get from the DHCP server 172.16.1.100. This is the IP get from the DHCP server, this router. Okay, and then go to PC1. Okay, you will see IP. Okay, PC2. Okay. Okay, step 2 already to config and successfully, and you will go to the step 3. Configure. Okay, configure default route. Configure default route on the router customer. And started route from ISP. Okay, on the Cisco route, Cisco customer, we have to configure default route, and ISP we configure static route. Okay, IP route. This is a syntax for configure default route. Okay, next home address, this IP. Okay, already to configure default route. Okay, and then we go to our ISP router and configure static route. IP route. Okay, next home address is IP. The IP of the router customer. Okay, already. Okay, and IP show here. Okay, it's learning this IP. Okay, step 3, step 4. Configure interface inside and outside. Okay, step 4, we have to configure interface inside and outside. Okay, for interface inside, you will configure on the interface path 0/1, and interface outside, we configure on interface 0/0/0/0. Okay, now I'm configure interface inside. I'm go to file Ethernet/0/1. Okay, and type IP NAT inside. Okay, and then I go to interface 0/0/0. Okay, and then type IP NAT outside. Okay, it's already for step 4. Okay, and go to the step 5. Okay, create a list. Okay, create a list 100. router customer. Okay. Okay, asset list. Okay, commit IP any. Okay, step 6. Call asset list. Okay, IP map. Okay, inside source list. Okay, in the first. Okay, 0/0/0/0. Okay, overload. This is the step for call asset list. Okay, already for configure internet access. Okay, and then we go the final step, testing and verify. 7 step, testing and verify. Okay, I'm ping from the PC0 to the web server. Okay, now it's working. Okay, and then can access to the okay, and then I'm ping from the PC board to the web server IP. Okay, it's working. Okay, and then from the PC2 to the web server to the internet. Okay, and then you can go to the PC and go to the router customer and you can type IP NAT. Okay, that's okay, you to see. When you see like this, it means the internet is working. Okay, you see I'm trying to ping to outside global. Okay, this is my public IP. Okay, this is my IP from the PC. Okay, no, from the PC1. Okay, this is and try ping to internet is working. Click IP NAT transmission. And then I'm trying to ping from the PC0 to the okay. So IP NAT transmission. You see. Okay, I'm ping from the IP this IP PC. Okay, 172.16.1.100. Okay, I'm trying to ping from this PC. You will to see. Okay, this IP of PC0. Okay, and then I'm ping to this IP outside global and outside global this IP. This means configuration is working and already to configure internet access. We can access to the internet. Okay, then so I can select option. Okay, this command you want to know internet working or not. You can try this command. So IP NAT translation. Okay, and one more command. So IP so quickly IP NAT translation. Okay, this command is mean clear NAT table. Okay, when you see this is a NAT table. So IP NAT translation. Okay, clear IP NAT translation. Okay, this video is finished. I hope so you clearly about how to configure internet access on the Cisco router. Okay, thank you for watching my video, and I hope you like and share and especially subscribe my channel. Okay, this is my channel. You can go to the web browser. Okay, and then by type the Cisco command. Okay, this is my channel. Okay, and one more channel. Cisco Dragon. Okay. Okay, thank you for watching.